Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. Do not forget to go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. In this video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how I install and actually glue this wig down. So again, as you can see from the title, this wig is from Cynosure Hair. They sent me a 20-inch deep wave unit. It's a lace frontal unit in 13x4, and I will have all the specs in the description box below. This is where 20 inches is at on me, and honestly I love it. I did not know I liked deep wave hair until now. Like, I don't usually wear deep wave hair. I'm a tighter curl texture type of gal, but honestly this is it's giving what it's supposed to give, honey. And if you'd like to see how I actually glue my wigs down, because I never usually do that, as well as do this half up half down hairstyle, which I never usually do, so this video is a bit longer than usual, just keep on watching. And again, if you'd like to purchase this hair off rip, which I would definitely recommend, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let me stop rambling because this video is already long, and thank you so much Cynosure Hair for sending this gorgeous wig. Without further ado, let us jump into the video. So this is a bag that the wig that I have on came in. It just says Cynosure Hair on it, and it's really cute and pink. And this wig cap came in it, as well as these lashes that I'm wearing right now. Really nice and natural. We just love this for her. And because I didn't want this video too lengthy, this is just what the hair looks like after bleaching and plucking. And you know, after you pluck hair, especially curly hair, you tend to comb out the curls in the front. So this is how the natural curls look. This is it in its natural state, fresh out the box. And because I had made it a bit fuzzy, I just wet it down a bit, so in comparison to what it looks like when it's manipulated versus what it looks like when it came, it's really similar, and it's cute. So I know what to expect when the hair is dried down. So again, because I didn't want this video too lengthy, I just decided to do everything pretty much, bleaching, plucking, and tinting the lace, so it would be easier for me to install this unit from Cynosure Hair, which is their deep wave unit. And as you can tell, I think I did a good job at plucking, so I'm gonna just cut the lace off. So I'm back after setting my hair with a satin scarf for about 5 minutes, and this is just what we're looking like. Just to make the lace like blend in and give the glue some time to, you know, sink in and do its thing with the lace. Now that we've pretty much done that, I'm going to start molding my hair for a half up half down, because that is the style that we're going to do today. And honestly, I really don't know how to explain this. I'm just gonna brush the hair back. Yeah. So this is just what we have right now. I decided that I was gonna just section them off here and just pull out the baby hairs that I'm gonna use here. I'm gonna pull some out from here so you can see what exactly I'm doing. So honestly, you don't need a lot of them, and because it came pre-plucked and I did a bit of my own plucking, it's easier to like find the baby hairs that you want to use. So these are them, and what I'm gonna do is just cut them down So shaving them down just helps me to see what exactly needs to be done, and it just helps a lot. It helps so much. So just shave down your baby hairs. And now what I'm gonna do is just wet the top portion, literally drench it, and that will just help me to flatten the top and make everything look nice and perfect and together. Before I do that, let me go ahead and section off my baby hairs with these clips. So because I know this video has been going on for a long time, I decided to just finish the sideburns off camera, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how the hair looks when it's like in a wet state. Before I do that, I'm gonna just run through it with my brush. That way all the knots that might possibly be in it will be out, and the hair will just be easy to run through with the brush after. So this is just the detangling portion of the video, and you need to do this because it helps to prevent shedding on a whole different level instead of just putting the water on your hair off the rip. So we're doing one side, and always start from the ends of the hair and then go up to the top of the tracks, and this just also helps to prevent excessive shedding. So this is what it looks like, obviously, when it's like fully dried and brushed out. And now I'm gonna just go in with my water and Aussie Moisture conditioner that I have mixed in this bottle. More conditioner than water, and I'm gonna just spray it through and just go ahead and use my brush to brush through. And this is the finished look. I am so in love with my hair. I am so sorry I did not wear this hairstyle sooner. It is super duper cute. I love how it turned out. It was so perfect working with this hair. I had no types of problems whatsoever. And if I were to, in all honesty, give this a rating, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, I have no problems. The lace was perfect. You see the baby hairs laying nice and perfect. Plucking this wig was perfect. Like, I actually absolutely adore this hairstyle. It is super duper cute, and I know you'll love it too if you try it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, Cynosure Hair, for sending me this gorgeous wig. It is absolutely to die for. Again, a 10 out of 10. And yeah, if you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and without further ado, I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.